What's going on, everybody? Kind of doing a walk and talk intro right now. This is Jarrett Rushing with Jarrett Rushing Fishing, but what you're about to watch right now is a hunting video. That's right. Now, although I did not harvest a deer in this video, I'll go ahead and prelude that. So if you're hoping to see a big deer harvest, I'm sorry, there's nothing on here, but there is something really, really cool on this video that you've got to watch to figure out what it is. I want to tell y'all, I brought my GoPro with me on opening morning of modern gun deer season here in South Arkansas and saw a bunch of deer. I think I ended up seeing 11, 12, 13, something like that. But there was one instance in this particular video that went down that I think y'all will thoroughly enjoy. Y'all, we're going to post two pictures of the harvest that I've had, and we're going to post a picture of the harvest my son had. At the end of this thing, kind of do a little bit of slideshow, and this will be our main hunting video of the year. We are trying to expand on different hunting and fishing, and I even had some frog gigging footage at one point in time. But you know, y'all tell me, leave a comment. What do you want to see that is within the realm of YouTube standards? You know, we can't show, you know, going after a hog with a knife. We can't show, you know, stabbing a frog, if you will, which, I mean, I don't understand, but hey, that's the standards that YouTube has put on us. But within the standard, what would you all like to see? Drop me a comment. And in the meantime, if you aren't already a subscriber, make sure you click that subscribe button as well as like this video, share it with your friends, and tell everybody that we are expanding our horizons. Again, I'm going to post this now. We're so close to that 500 sub mark. And once we get to 500 subs, we are issuing an Arky Lures and Natural Gear Camouflage prize package to one person that has shared this video, or any video for that matter, on social media with the hashtag #KeepChunkin'. So I will post that on my Facebook page as well as Instagram. Y'all make sure that y'all go out there, look at it, and share on any social media platform that you can. And once we hit 500, we're going to do a random generator of all the names, and that lucky person will get an Arky Lures and Natural Gear Camouflage, two of my premier sponsors. Y'all will get a prize package from those two companies. So do me a favor and go out and like them while you're here. They're both on Facebook, both on Instagram. Make sure you tell them I sent you. So y'all stay tuned, enjoy this video. Like always, y'all keep chunking, or in this particular instance, y'all keep hunting. What's going on, everybody? Jarrett with Jarrett Rushing Fishing. We are on the deer stand, opening morning of gun season 2022. We're gonna try to kill us a buck this morning, get tagged out. I killed one during muzzleloading season. I think we're gonna kill a few hogs here. We got some good hogs on, so y'all stay tuned. We'll try to film a little bit while we're out here. Hopefully we can get a little bit of cool footage. See y'all later. There's another deer down there at the end. Alright, 5 points coming out. There he comes. There he is, right there. I'm ready to zoom in on this. I hope y'all can see him. He's a 5-point. He's got 2 forks and 1 lie guard. fight with another one. There's another one coming. That's a little spike right there. There he comes. Look at that little spike chasing the dove. All three of them chasing her. Look at them. Here she goes back. Another little spike's chasing her too. Here she comes, here she comes. So the 5 point is coming. There he is. That's a 5 point. That's a tall spike. And then that other one's a little bitty old dinky spike. There she goes. She must be the prize out here because there's 3 different bugs chasing her. There he comes. He's coming back. The 5 point is. He's right there in the woods. I can see him moving. I wouldn't shoot a 5 point right now. I've done killed an 8 point, but he was a pretty 5 point. Big forks on both sides and then a high guard. Here he comes. He turned and went away. I wonder if there's another deer out there. That was a close shot. Well, so I'm sitting here right now looking at a 3 point. There's a deer down there, and a new one just popped out. Down there in the very end of the lane. It's a doe. So, kind of recap what just happened. That 5 point, and it was a 3 point. I actually got a scope on it finally, but it was a 3 point. And another little spike. We're all chasing does. There were 2 does out there. So what I didn't record, where y'all saw those deer running, was over in this area. Well, they went back here behind the stand, and they went north. That's all well and good. Until they popped out way down here on the south end. I don't know how they got there. It took them about 3.5 minutes to get there, but you want to talk about running for I mean, that right there is probably close to a quarter to a half a mile from where I heard them last all the way to where they came out at. Crazy. Well, it's 8:45. and we'll stay here till about 9:15. So if something else comes out, then we'll let y'all take a gander. Just got settled in this afternoon. It's about 2:25 or so. This is opening afternoon. Y'all saw what happened this morning. My goodness, it was crazy. Had deer running around everywhere. I'm hoping that this afternoon I can get a picture or a video of a hog. We had one big one come through this morning. Came through kind of over in this area. And he just buzzed through so fast that I couldn't even get a shot on him. But I'm hoping we can get a little bit of video of hogs today. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Y'all do me a favor while you're here. Like, subscribe to this channel, turn on your notifications. Do me a favor, share this video. See how many likes we can get on this thing. This is going to be interesting. I'm kind of new. Stay tuned. We're going to get after them. I don't know how much you'll be able to see, but there is a spike down there in the middle of the lane. Probably a 75-yard shot. There he is. Big old cow.